From medicines to home remedies, there are many ways to treat indigestion, but maintaining a healthy lifestyle can completely avoid heartburn and other related problems. So here I'm going to share with you all a few food remedies that will help to prevent and reduce indigestion or hyperacidity. So if you experience indigestion, hyperacidity and stomach bloating, then you can try these food remedies which are easily available in your kitchen. So the first one is ginger root or adrak. Ginger roots have been known to ease digestive problems for many centuries. Many Asian cultures believe that this helps to reduce nausea and vomiting by reducing the gastritis. Take half an inch of ginger, peel the skin, wash, grind and strain the juice using a sieve, or cut a small piece, sprinkle some salt and chew it. The second one is mint leaves or pudina. Fresh mint leaves effectively cures indigestion. It also provides a cooling effect in the mouth and throat, reducing the sour and acidic taste which leads to nausea and vomiting. Make a fresh mint leaf or grind a few fresh mint leaves, strain and extract the juice. The third one is cinnamon. The cinnamon stick is known to soothe and calm the stomach, which helps to reduce nausea and vomiting caused by indigestion. Mix a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to warm water to prepare a cinnamon tea. Strain it after 2 minutes. Add a little bit of sugar or a few drops of honey if you want to. Next is the boiled rice. The white boiled rice is low in fiber, protein and fat, thus helping the stomach to tolerate. An upset stomach takes overcooked boiled rice and mashed potatoes very well and keeps the stomach calm. The next one is the room temperature milk. While it is recommended that you should avoid dairy products while you are having indigestion, many believe that room temperature milk or the milk that is boiled and is cooled down helps to ease stomach acidity and reduces the feeling of nausea. Next is the fennel seed and the carom seed water or the saunf and ajwain water. The effect of fennel seed and carom seed are known to reduce stomach indigestion and ease the nausea and vomiting. Boil both the seeds for 3 to 4 minutes, strain the tea, let it cool down, dilute it with some more water and take half a cup 1 to 2 times in a day. And finally, drinking plenty of water and having bland food like boiled vegetables, rice, applesauce, coconut water. Eat a low fiber, low protein, low fat diet to keep the stomach calm. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.